what you do. Why are you putting the GoPro up?
See if I can get some footage of the Dream Cruise. M1, Woodward Avenue, the first major street, road, avenue in America that was paved at that. Because when they rolled cars off the line, they wanted to test drive them. On good road. Give me some classics.
Street and Woodward, Royal Oak, Michigan. Look for 4th Street on that side. What street is this on?
Passenger.
Lincoln.